Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to private your Twitter account. So let's get started. Now once you open Twitter, you would then need to tap on your profile icon, and once you're on your profile, you would then need to click on settings and privacy. Now once you're within settings, you need to tap on privacy and safety, after which you need to tap on audience and tagging. So it says right here, protect your tweets. So only show your tweets to people who follow you. If selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So once you enable protect your tweets, you'd basically private your Twitter account and private your tweets. And only persons who follow you will be able to see your tweets. And if new persons follow you, you would then need to approve them to be able to see your tweets. And that's pretty much how you'd go about privating your Twitter account. And once you go back on the profile section, you'd be able to see a lock beside your name, which is an indication that your account is now private. So that's the end of the video. If you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.